What is going on, everyone? Today I am playing Among Us, and today, yeah, there might not be a chance I'm going to be the imposter, but I'm playing with Peppa Pig, AJ, and my cousin. So we're just going to go ahead and start right away. Here we go, dudes. Woo!
You do hide and
No, I didn't do the hide and seek mod. Sorry.
Never mind.
Just go do your task. Yeah, I'm gonna mute. Right now I'm muted, so I am not the imposter, by the way. What's wrong, guys?
Why just stay away from me? Stay away from me. First try.
This is dumb. Dang.
Like someone locked the cafeteria door.
Oh, there's gotta be a body in there.
I can't go in.
It's locked. Oh no, the oxygen. All right, I got this one. Right, that one's good. Brady!
Why did you kill Peppa Pig then?
I did not kill Peppa Pig.
Yep. Yeah.
Really, dude?
Peppa Pig and Serious dude. Yep. Not serious.
Alright, well, anyways, we don't have Peppa Pig with us.
Now we need because they left.
Alright. But we could wait. This is actually my first video of
Among Us.
Yes. This is my first video of Among Us. I've never made Among Us videos before, actually. So yeah. We're gonna wait for people to join us, and then we'll be all good. AJ!
Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah?
We're good.
What?
We're good. Alright, I'm gonna...
There's raspberry. Wait, why they not ready?
Ah, really? No! Friday had to leave.
Because of lame. They're really lame. But
I just don't want to wait. I don't know about Bryce. Can Bryce join us?
I don't know read. Bryce.
Oh, yay! Some dude.
Start before they leave. Start like
Woo! Here we go. Alright, it started, boys. Woo! Alright, I'm muting.
I'm just not gonna talk, but I'm gonna stay unmuted. Oh, he left the game.
Really?
Oh, wait, what? Okay, I think it's Bryce now. Bryce? Wait.
It's AJ. It's AJ.
No, it's not.
Oh!
You wanted to kill me, so guys.
You.
Don't start everyone. Should I tell you why? Bryce is joining.
Alright, he's joining.
Yes, Mom.
Alright, guys. Another one of my cousins are joining us. Another one of my cousins are joining us. Hey, what's up, Bryce? Yeah? Yeah?
So if so we can play much longer, but yeah, after like 7:15, can you make another video?
After 7:15?
Yeah, around that. Yeah.
I can't make a video at 7:15 because my dad's got a meeting.
Private, so don't not many people join.
Bryce, are you here?
Yes.
Alright, let's
Well,
start.
I'm not yet, but my computer's like that guy.
Really? Alright, he left. That's quite a...
It'll take a while, guys. It's not gonna take do we do hide and seek?
Yeah, maybe we should do hide and seek.
Yeah, let's play hide and seek.
Yeah. 0 at a time. Give me a minute to start. Give me a minute to start.
One quick round. One quick round.
Tell us who the imposter is.
Hey, damn it! Imposter!
Alright, give me a minute, guys. Alright, here we go. We're starting. Okay. Here we go. Woohoo! Alright, we gotta tell each other who the imposters are.
Okay.
Guys, I'm the imposter.
Okay.
Go hide, you guys. Go hide. Yeah, I'll count. Alright. 1.
Can you make a video tomorrow?
Yeah, I can make a video tomorrow. 1,
Okay.
2,
No
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. I'm gonna stop.
Are we playing hide and seek? Oh yeah.
Alright, let's see. Let's have. Oh, wait, who's that? Hello? Anyone here? I saw something. I am allowed to vent after all.
Why did you not go
Why
in
did
that
you not
bed?
go in that bed then?
Do not go into. Why? I want.
Because you eventually I'm there.
Alright. So no one's in medbay. Anyone in here? Oh, no one's in here. Let's see.
You couldn't see me.
You're in security?
Yeah.
Wait, what? I was just there, dude. So many tasks are being completed, dude.
No! It made me leave. I glitched.
Oh, come on. I saw Brady for a hot second. Really?
First, watch me.
Oh, wait, who was that? Hey, who's that? I saw someone. I lost track of them. Where'd they go? Hello? No one's around here. Come on. This is not cool. I can't find anyone to kill. No one's there. Let's vent. Can use that. Hey, what's up? Hi, Brady!
Bye, have to leave.
Oh. Alright. Now you can. Alright, yeah. So many tasks are being completed. Dude. Oh, wait, who's that? Who's this? Someone's in reactor. I win! Woohoo! My first time playing Among Us, dude! Amazing! I have something very important. To say. Mario Johnson, if you are watching this video, I would like to have an apology. When I said I was going to make a video with you, I couldn't. You might be a little mad, but I am sorry. I was kicked out of the game, and I was kicked out of the game, and I wasn't allowed to record anymore. So I'm sorry. We can start it again another day, if it's okay with you. But for now, I am very sorry. We can set up another time to play, if it's okay with you. But yeah. Alright, so, yeah, bye everyone.